Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic TypeScript. So let's get started. What is the primary relationship between TypeScript and JavaScript? The correct answer is option A. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static typing. Which of the following are valid primitive types in TypeScript? The correct answer is option B, Boolean, number, string. What is the main difference between the any type and the unknown type? The correct answer is option C. Unknown is safer because it requires a type check before performing operations on the value. Which feature of TypeScript allows for declaration merging? The correct answer is option D, interfaces. In a numeric enum defined as enum direction up, down, left, right, what is the value of direction .up by default? The correct answer is option A, 0. What does the read-only modifier do when applied to a class property? The correct answer is option B. It prevents the property from being reassigned after its initial assignment. Which syntax is used to define a generic type in TypeScript? The correct answer is option C, T. Which type should be used for a function that never returns, e.g., it always throws an error? The correct answer is option D, never. Which operator is used for optional chaining in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A. What is the purpose of the strict flag in config.json? The correct answer is option B. It enables a suite of type-checking options that provide stronger guarantees of program correctness. How do you define a tuple type that contains a number and then a string? The correct answer is option C, type mytuple equals number string. Which operator is used to create an intersection type? The correct answer is option D, and. Which keyword is used for type assertions in TypeScript, e.g., treating a value as a specific type? The correct answer is option A, as. What does the keyoff operator do? The correct answer is option B. It produces a union type of all known keys of an object type. In TypeScript, what is the typeoff operator used for in a type context? The correct answer is option C, to refer to the type of a variable or property. Which of the following represents a mapped type syntax? The correct answer is option D, type mapped equals P and K T. What does the partial T utility type do? The correct answer is option A. It makes all properties in type T optional. How would you define a type for an object where keys are strings and values are numbers using a utility type? The correct answer is option B, record string number. What is function overloading in TypeScript? The correct answer is option C, providing multiple function signatures for a single implementation. Which statement is true about abstract classes in TypeScript? The correct answer is option D. They cannot be instantiated directly and must be extended. Which character is used to denote a decorator in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A, @. Which syntax is used to define a custom typeguard in a function return type? The correct answer is option B, pet is fish. What is the difference between void and undefined in TypeScript function returns? The correct answer is option C. Void represents the absence of a return value, while undefined is a literal value. What is the effect of using as const assertion on an object literal? The correct answer is option D. It signals to the compiler that the expression has a literal type and its properties are read-only. How do you import a specific member X from a module named module? The correct answer is option A, import X from /module. What is a discriminated union? The correct answer is option B, a pattern using a common literal property to distinguish between union members. Which of the following is a valid template literal type? The correct answer is option C, type world equals world, type hello equals hello $world. What does the exclude TU utility type do? The correct answer is option D. It constructs a type by excluding from T all union members that are assignable to you. What is the difference between private and protected modifiers in TypeScript classes? The correct answer is option A. Protected members are accessible in subclasses, while private members are not. What does the exclamation point operator, non-null assertion operator, do when placed after an expression? The correct answer is option B. It tells the compiler that a value is definitely not null or undefined. Thank you for watching.